Welcome to my channel, great people. Good news! A fintech application with the name Celsius is changing the financial and traditional banking status quo in favor of you and I. You can now earn, borrow, and pay later even with a bad credit history with Celsius lending blockchain network. And there is no catch. Rather, a doable process is involved. Stay tuned for details. And this video is for financial education purposes. Thank you. So grab some water, popcorn, and then subscribe. To remind you, I have produced a video about Nexo platform that shares the same vision with Celsius, and you'll see the clip at the end of this video. Well, to inform you, Celsius network has taken crypto lending to an unprecedented level, and I think you want to know how and what makes it unique from its contemporaries. Then no worries, stay tuned. You see, Celsius network is a decentralized finance DeFi platform, a fintech-like services that allows you to secure cash loans, send crypto to friends, and build wealth on deposited crypto asset. And then you'll be surprised to hear that you and I can earn, say, up to 22.40% annually for simply storing your cryptocurrency on Celsius platforms. Perhaps you don't know, no bank can pay you this much as interest annually. With bank, you only get, say, 0.22% annually on your money. Okay, let us examine some of the features on Celsius network and how it works. Okay, let me remind you. With all crypto lending platform, including Celsius network, you are allowed to take a loan with a crypto asset without selling or losing your stable coins. Let me tell you how. You see, all Celsius requires of you is to use any of the stable coins as collateral, like Cell token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar Lumen, and Litecoin, and no credit check is involved. So, how does borrowing cash with Celsius networks works out? Well, the interest rate you will pay is as little as 1% APR, and like I said, you will still maintain market exposure with your crypto position and get cash at the same time. Another unique feature within the Celsius platform is DOS. You can send crypto instantly and feel free to friends with CellPay, meaning you can send payment to friends with Celsius network app via secure link or text without fees. Okay, note this. It is possible provided the recipient is also using Celsius application. Moving on, let us examine or look at network procedure. The loan procedure. You see, Celsius grants you a loan based on the loan to value LTV scheme. What does it mean? Stay with me. As a rule, in the crypto lending platform, the value of the crypto asset you deposited as collateral determines how much you are entitled to. In the case of Nexo platform, you will get only 50% worth of your crypto asset as loan. Let's say you have $2,000 worth of crypto asset. You can only borrow $1,000. Well, Celsius network has 3 levels of LTVs. We have the 25%, 33%, and the 50%. Therefore, you can borrow more than the value of your asset, meaning you can secure a loan with a higher LTV ratio. Well, here's the key. A higher LTV ratio suggests more risk because the asset behind the loan are less likely to pay off the loan as the LTV ratio increases. Well, in effect, you will pay 4.95 APR if you go for the lowest LTV of 25% and the highest LTV of 50%. You see the rate. What does it mean? It means the rate for 50%, the rate will balloon to say 8.95 APR. I am convinced you get the picture. Okay, listen to this. It is very important. You can reduce the interest on your loan if you pay interest with SEL tokens. Rather, as compared to when you pay it with fiat money. So in a way, Celsius is encouraging you to invest in SEL token with the incentive it offers. So what loan terms are available on Celsius network? Well, you can choose between 4 different periods from 6 months to 3 years. Good thing is that there are no penalty for closing and repaying loan deal earlier. You can also renew the loan as it approaches expiration. Aside from the loan, as mentioned earlier, if and when you buy or transfer your crypto asset onto the Celsius network, you will earn regular interest, and the interest rate go as high as 12% for certain coins. Well, on the screen is a full overview of which coin can be deposited on to Celsius network wallet and what APY they will give you in return. For instance, SEL token you will get 5.1 to 5.12%, with Bitcoin 3.10%, Ripple 3.15%, with Dash 6.71%, while with Tether 8.97%. However, applying for a loan with Celsius is easy and fast. You can apply in minutes with zero paperwork, no credit check, no origination fee, and Celsius automated process make it even very fast. All you need to do is to download the app for Apple or Android and create an account. Tap on the Celsius logo at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the borrow option and follow the procedure. Voila, you are good to go. Well, to inform you, let me quickly tell you about McKinsey, the founder. You see, the Celsius founder and chairman and CEO Alex Mashinsky is a successful technology entrepreneur who has founded several notable technology firms, including Abinet, VoiceSmart, GroundLink, Governing Dynamics, and Transit Wireless. Celsius network was first conceptualized in 2017 when its founder Alex Mashinsky and S. Daniel drew up a plan for Celsius on a coffee shop napping. You see, I love coffee shop. It's a place to generate great ideas. However, it wasn't until March 2018 that Celsius completed its successful ICO, raising roughly $50 million, making its SEL token worldwide. To date, Celsius network has already provided over $600 million in loans to exchanges and hedge funds and received over $50 million in cryptocurrency deposit. As of June 2019, the total value of coin deposited is over 236 million and over 2 million in interest for the Celsius network community. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe and like. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Thanks a million for those who already subscribed. And then the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.